everyone! I created this really cute 4th of July cake topper SVG, which is available for free download on 12x12 Cardstock's website. Please keep in mind the file can be used for personal use and is not permitted to be used for commercial use. The file may not be sold in either digital or physical format. Let's go ahead and start assembling the larger rainbow portion. Because they're bigger pieces, I like to use Beacon 3-in-1 silicone glue. It's tacky but still easy to move around and adjust as needed. Once your rainbow is pieced together, it's time to start assembling your smaller elements. For this portion, I like to use Barely Art's Precision Craft Glue. It has a precision needle and dries quickly. As a rule of thumb for myself when working with text, whether it is a name or a saying, I like to glue down the text to the first offset. I use anywhere between 3 to 5 layers of offsetting because I like a dimensioned look. The first layer gets glued on and the remaining layers are all popped on with 3D foam tape, which is also known as foamies. If you want to hide the cake topper sticks from the back of your cake topper, go ahead and flip the rainbow over and using hot glue, adhere your acrylic sticks to where you would like them positioned. I placed mine in the center of each end of the rainbow to make sure it's balanced. Once you're done adding your sticks and your topper has been flipped back over to the front, begin placing your pieced together elements on top using foamies and glue. To finish it off, I used just a little bit of Barely Art's craft glue to adhere the fireworks on each side. Happy crafting! I hope you guys enjoy making this.